And just like that, I'm back. Hello, I'm Aaron, and welcome to 802 Garage. If you're new here, my channel is primarily focused on project cars like this 2001 Impreza 2.5 RS, which will actually be getting an 8-liter V10 engine swap. That's going to go kind of here. Yeah, it's large. At any rate, if you're into watching people work on cars, especially 90s Japanese cars, there will probably be something on my channel for you to enjoy, so I hope you will subscribe. For now, back to the point of this video. Most of my current subscribers will know I was just on a month-and-a-half long road trip. However, if you didn't know that or you want to know what's going on in my, well, old rusty car world, then go follow my Instagram because I put out updates the whole time I was on the trip, and I will continue to do so on Instagram for the foreseeable future. But what I also want to tell you is that this was no ordinary sightseeing road trip I took. Instead, I was focused on visiting and collabing with other automotive YouTubers. And I did also say I would put out regular videos about the trip, and I'm a little bit behind on that, but looking around me, you can possibly understand why. Now that I've settled back in, the videos are coming. I will be making daily videos of my epic YouTube road trip starting now. I went all the way across the country to the West Coast and back, over 11,000 miles, hitting 21 states in this very rusty 1993 Subaru Impreza that had everyone I visited asking, how did that thing even get here? I started out my trip by going to see Jacob from Rust Belt Garage. He's who helped me strip down this Impreza to get ready for the V10 engine. And while I was in Ohio, I got to go to my first pick and pull style junkyard. This thing is all kinds of cool in my opinion. Protege 5, the wagon, got a wing, 4-wheel disc brake, 5-speed. From there I went to Colorado and I got to spend a bunch of time with my favorite YouTube channel, BoostedBoiz. And I got to meet Kyle and Brent and Emilio and Fong and a bunch of the other Boosted Boys, and it was just such an awesome, wild time. Got to help work on Hondaru and Wago and ride in and see some really mad cars. It was just so cool. So thank you so much to Kyle for your hospitality. Unfortunately, the weather wasn't good, so I didn't get to hit the drag strip, but maybe next time. And so from Kyle's, I went southwest in Colorado to Telluride, a beautiful place for my friend Jeff's wedding. And he actually runs the channel Fully Spooled.
And by the way, Aaron, you are not only filming, but you're also on fire patrol. You know, not that it's going to happen, but it might happen.
Done. Another one of my favorites, go check it out if you haven't. I say this like every video. On my way out of Colorado, I actually got to ride in the MotionAutoTv Supra. Yes, Trevor's Supra. It was awesome. It did not disappoint. Looked amazing in person, sounded amazing in person. So cool. More on that later if you watch my videos. From there, I went into Arizona and I got to spend time with Sarah and Toon and work on her awesome project cars, including Mr. Dose, the MR2, Teeter Tot, the Audi TT, and I also got to ride in Forrester Gump. Sarah was super nice, so thank you so much to you, Sarah, for your hospitality, and I hope to see you again soon. After that, I moved on into California, and I saw a whole bunch of channels, including GearHeads, Oh Yeah About That, Initial DIY Mods, and Honda Vlogs, plus more. I also got to spend some time there filming with RevMatchTV, and we made a couple of Scotty Kilmer parodies where he played a slightly larger YouTuber, Chrisfix. So if you haven't watched mine yet, please go check it out at the link right up above, and there's one on his channel as well. I think they're pretty funny, so I hope you will check them out. Oh, and I also stopped in LA to see Jeff again, and he gave me my new beautiful dog, Nava, and thank you so much, Jeff. They rescued her from the desert, and she's been absolutely wonderful. So I went up through Oregon and Washington, and then back to the Midwest, all with my new dog, and I stopped in Illinois and Michigan to see family, and I also got to see another one of my favorite small channels, WideBand, over in Wisconsin.
It kind of just turned into something that would never ever pass tech anywhere.
And, well, now I'm back. Overall, it was an amazing trip. I had so much fun, and I can't wait to share it with all of you. I have over 1,000 clips to turn into YouTube videos, so starting tomorrow, there will be daily videos of my awesome YouTube road trip. So if you enjoy car content, traveling, collabing with other automotive YouTubers, me almost going off the road in a blizzard on almost bald all-season tires, and general rusty Subaru shenanigans, then I hope you will stay tuned to watch the upcoming videos. And don't worry, my projects are not dead and gone. That's actually what I'm going to be focusing on now. Releasing these videos is actually going to give me the chance to clean, organize, and prepare to just make tons of awesome project car content for the channel. You see, the first thing I wanted to do when I got home was clear out the garage, shuffle cars around, and really dig in on my projects. But we got over 2 feet of snow the first week I was home alone, and a lot of it loves to pile up right here, so that's been difficult to deal with. Plus, you know, life in general gets in the way sometimes. But I'm working on it now, so if you want to see trip coverage or you're excited to see more on my project cars, I really hope you'll turn on notifications because there are plenty of videos coming. Plus, in the background, I'll still be working on revamping the channel's image, so new logo, new intro, and I'll also be working on merch for those who are interested, as well as other ways to interact with and support the channel. If you're excited for the upcoming content, please like the video, and anybody, like it or not, leave a comment below. I always love talking to viewers. You can see in my other videos, I pretty much always get back to people. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will catch you soon on 802 Garage.